Hello everyone, and welcome to my artwork. Today I'm going to explain some of the elements and principles of art that I used in my drawing. I used curves and rough lines to make the trees, hills, and footprints look more natural. Most of the shapes are organic because they are the things you would find in nature. I chose green, blue, and orange colors, and the orange fox stands out the most. I also used a bit of texture on the rocks and trees and the hills in the background, helped create space. For the principles of art, my artwork has balance because there are objects on both sides. The fox creates emphasis because it's the brightest part of the drawing. The footprints create movement by leading your eyes across the page, and everything fits the same natural theme, which gives you the artwork unity. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed looking at my artwork.